Hi, now we have the last of the pairs, which is the sh and zh. Now with this one, you make your lips round, like this, sh, and then blow. And the air will come from the sides of your mouth because your lips are round, and you'll get a sh sound. Now, obviously, blowing air will create the sh sound, and then if you make the sound back here, you'll get the zh sound. So if we're looking at the chart here, we've got sure and pleasure. Sure, 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 and pleasure. Sure, air here. Pleasure, back here. Je.